How's it going, everyone? Dante here from Frank's Outdoors. Next thing we're going to be talking about is the Mojo Rig. Mojo Rig is really good for bed fishing, fishing around any kind of structure, clear water. It's essentially the same thing as a Texas rig, but it's going to have a little bit more action. First thing you're going to want to do is peg your line with a bobber stop. You're going to peg a weight about 6 to 12 inches, your preference, on your line. One before the weight and one after. Then you're going to take your wide gap hook, take any kind of worm. Here at Frank's Outdoors, we got over 50 styles and colors of worms. Put it in about a 1/2 inch, slide it up, and then bend that worm on the hook, make it weedless. And then you got your Mojo Rig. So like I said before, we got over 50 different colors here at Frank's Outdoors, over 200 different bulk plastics. So come on in and we'll get you rigged up.